Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering, how in the world do I log in to my ZenBusiness email? You've got your business buzzing, your website humming, and then bam, you hit a wall trying to access that crucial communication hub. It's a common stumbling block, one that can interrupt your workflow and leave you feeling a little lost in the digital wilderness. But don't worry, you're not alone, and more importantly, the solution is much simpler than you might think. Many entrepreneurs, especially those just starting out, choose ZenBusiness for its comprehensive suite of services. From forming your LLC to setting up your registered agent, they handle a lot of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, building your dream. And for many, part of that comprehensive package includes a professional email address. This isn't just any email. It's an email that instantly lends credibility to your business. Instead of sending emails from a generic Gmail or Yahoo account, imagine sending them from yourname@yourcompany.com. It immediately elevates your brand image and fosters trust with clients and partners. But here's where the confusion often creeps in. ZenBusiness, while a fantastic all-in-one platform, doesn't directly host its own email service. They partner with a highly reliable and widely used provider to deliver that professional email functionality. And understanding this crucial distinction is the first step to unlocking your inbox. Think of it like this. ZenBusiness is your general contractor for building your business, and they've hired a specialized electrician to handle your email wiring. You interact with the general contractor, ZenBusiness, for overall project management, but when it comes to the nitty-gritty of your electrical system, your email, you'll be interacting directly with the electrician system. So, what's this specialized electrician in the world of ZenBusiness email? For the vast majority of ZenBusiness users, their professional email is powered by Google Workspace, specifically Gmail for Business. This is fantastic news because Google Workspace is a robust, intuitive, and widely supported platform. It means you get all the familiar features of Gmail, the powerful search, the intuitive interface, the excellent spam filtering, but with your custom domain. Now that we've established that crucial link to Google Workspace, let's dive into the actual login process. It's surprisingly straightforward once you know where to go. The primary way to log in to your ZenBusiness email, which is essentially your Google Workspace email, is directly through the Google Workspace login page. You'll want to navigate to mail.google.com or gmail.com. Even though your email address uses your custom domain, e.g., yourname@yourcompany.com, you'll still use the standard Gmail login portal. Once you're on the login page, you'll enter your full professional email address that's the one ending in your custom domain, not at gmail.com. So, if your business is Awesome Widgets and your email is info@awesomewidgets.com, you'll enter info@awesomewidgets.com in the email or phone field. After entering your email address, you'll be prompted for your password. This is the password you set up when you initially activated your ZenBusiness email service, which in turn created your Google Workspace account. If you've forgotten this password, don't despair. Google's robust account recovery options are there to help. You'll typically be given options to verify your identity through a recovery phone number or an alternate recovery email address that you provided during setup. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to reset your password and regain access to your inbox. Another important point to remember is that while you manage your ZenBusiness services through the ZenBusiness dashboard, you won't typically log into your email directly through the ZenBusiness portal. The ZenBusiness dashboard is primarily for managing your legal entity, filings, and other business-related services. They provide the initial setup and integration with Google Workspace, but ongoing email access is handled directly through Google. However, ZenBusiness does provide helpful links and resources within their dashboard that can guide you to your email login. If you're ever unsure or need a quick reminder, simply log in to your ZenBusiness account, navigate to the section related to your professional email, and you'll often find a direct link or instructions on how to access your inbox. This can be a great starting point if you're feeling lost. What if you're using an email client like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Thunderbird? The process is very similar. Since your ZenBusiness email is powered by Google Workspace, you'll configure your email client using Google's IMAP or POP settings. Google provides comprehensive guides for setting up various email clients, and a quick search for Google Workspace email client setup will give you all the detailed instructions you need. You'll essentially be treating your ZenBusiness email as a standard Gmail account when it comes to configuring these clients, just using your custom domain email address instead of a@gmail.com address. And what about mobile devices? Absolutely. The easiest and most recommended way to access your ZenBusiness email on your smartphone or tablet is through the official Gmail app. Simply download the Gmail app from your device's app store, open it, and when prompted to add an account, choose Google. Then, enter your full professional email address, your name at yourcompany.com, and your password. The app will automatically configure all the necessary settings, providing you with a seamless and feature-rich email experience on the go. It's worth noting that if you're encountering persistent issues, double-check that your ZenBusiness email service is active and properly set up. Sometimes, if there was an issue during the initial activation or if your subscription has lapsed, that could prevent you from logging in. In such cases, contacting ZenBusiness support directly would be the next best step. They can verify the status of your email service and provide specific guidance if there's an underlying account issue. Remember, the key takeaway here is that your ZenBusiness email is fundamentally a Google Workspace email. Understanding this connection demystifies the login process and empowers you to access your professional communications with ease. Don't let a simple login hurdle derail your productivity. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently navigate to your inbox and focus on what truly matters: growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.